Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose a, b, c are integers such that ab plus c equals 100, bc plus a equals 87, and ca plus b equals 60. We are asked to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. This question is from 2024 AMC 10A, problem 23. First, get the three equations. All these three equations as equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. From the difference of equation 1 and 2, we have b a minus c plus c minus a equals 13. b minus 1, a minus c equals 13. Since 13 is a prime number, this means that b minus 1, a minus c is either 1 13, negative 1, negative 13, 13, 1, or negative 13, negative 1. So this means that b, a minus c is either 2 13, 0, negative 13, 14, 1, or negative 12, negative 1. So we consider case by case. So from 3, we have b, a minus c, and ca. If b equals to a minus c equals 13, then ca is equals to 58 from 3. But this is 0, negative 13, ca equals to 60, 14, 1, 46, and finally negative 12, negative 1, 72. So we focus on this last part. A plus negative c and a times negative c. So for the first case, it is 13 and negative 58. For the second one is negative 13, negative 60, 1, and negative 46, negative 1, and negative 72. Since we have the sum and the product of a and negative c, then we know that a and negative c must be the root of the quadratic equation u squared minus 13u minus 50 equals to 0, which corresponding to sum equals to 13 and product equals to negative 58. And for the second one, u squared plus 13u minus 60 equals to 0. And the third one, u squared minus u minus 46 equals to 0. And the last one, u squared plus u minus 72 equals to 0. When we check each of these, we reject the first three because there is no integer rules. So it must come from the sum equals to negative 1 and product equals to negative 72. And in this case, u plus 9, u minus 8 equals to 0, u equals to negative 9, or u equals to 8. So this means that a and c is either negative 9, negative 8, or 8 and 9. This is corresponding to the value of b equals to negative 12. Then we need to check that when b equals to negative 12, which of this is correct? Obviously, we have to reject this because if ac are positive, b negative, the sum of the ab plus c must be negative. So this is not possible. And after checking, we know that a equals to negative 9 and c equals to negative 8 is correct. So finally, we have a equals negative 9, b equals negative 12, and c equals to negative 8. ab plus bc plus ca is actually equals to ab plus c plus bc plus a plus ca plus b minus a plus b plus c. And this actually equals to the sum in the equation 1, 2, and 3, that is 247 minus the sum of ABC. And the sum of ABC is negative 29. So the answer is 276. So when we look back, the important observation is to see that the difference of equation 1 and 2 is 13, which is a prime number. And from there are not many possible cases to consider. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.